Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add content to OnlyFans. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to onlyfans.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are on the home page, look at the top area where you will find a text box that says Compose New Post. Click on that box to start creating your post. You can type your message and add emojis. To upload content, simply click the media icon below the text box. From there, you can upload photos, videos, or audio directly from your laptop. Make sure your content follows OnlyFans guidelines. You can also add poll, add quiz, and change format text. Once everything looks good, click the post button and your content will be live for your subscribers. And that's it. Now you know how to add content to OnlyFans. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.